Cargo ship manufacturing involve adhering to a wide range of approval and regulation to ensure safety, environmental protections, and quality standards. These regulations are established by both the national authorities and international organizations, with the following being some of the main requirements and standards. International Maritime Organization regulations. SOLAS. SOLAS is safety of life at sea. So ensure the safety of cargo ship by the enforcing rule on construction, fire safety, life having the equipments, and navigations. All cargo ship must comply with the SOLAS standards. फर्स्ट ये हुआ ये मोलास और मोरपॉल marine pollution set a guideline for preventing maintenance maritime pollution from ship coverings oil chemicals sewage garbage and air emissions. Marpol certification is a crucial to minimize the environmental impact. Next is ISPS code, International Ship and Port Facility Security Code. So focus on the maritime security and require cargo ship to adhere to the security measure that protection against the potential threats. Classification societies. Classification society like Lloyd Registers, DNBGLs, ABS set a technical standard for their designs and construction of ongoing maintenance of ship. Their approvals confirms a ship compliance with their safety and structural standard. These societies inspect and certify ship and reviewing their aspect like hull's integrity, engines performance, and machinery. A classification certification is often required and ensure an operations international waters. Flag state approval. Ship must be registered under a flag state, such as Panama and Liberia, which is the enforce its own set of rule. These regulations include the safety, operational standards, and crew the qualifications of equipment, crew the qualification and equipments requirement. Flag states typically required a ship to meet both the IMO and national standards, and they regularly inspect vessels for the compliance. Shipyard and manufacturer certification. Shipyard producing a cargo ship must comply with the local and international labor environmental and health standards. They may need ISO certification, particularly ISO 9001 is equal quality management and 14,000 for environmental management. Some countries require the additional certification to ensure that manufacture process and meet all the regulation safety and quality standards. First, national approval and compliance. Each country where a ship is manufactured or operates they have to specific additional requirements, often enforced by the Maritime Regulation Authority like an US Coast Guarded European Maritime Safety Agency EMSA, European Maritime Safety Agency or equivalent bodies. Environmental regulations. In addition to MARPOLs, so cargo ship manufacturing and operations must have often comply with the strictly environment standards like the ballast water management conversations and conventions which control the discharge ballast water to prevent the marine ecosystems distortions. So many regions now have emissions control area that impose the limit on the sulfur emissions and other pollutants. So influencing the design of populations of exhaust systems. International labor and safety standards. Cargo ship and manufacturers are required to comply with the labor standards, including the Maritime Labor Convention (MLC), Maritime Labor Conventions. The guidelines on the crew conditions, hour of works, and living standard on the board. So, in summary, the manufacturers must coordinate with the variety of organization and regulation bodies. So, ensure that the designs, constructions, and materials meet to global maritime safety, environmental, and quality standards before receiving approvals to the operate cargo ship on the international water. So, thank you.